clipper tutorial. Welcome to Barbing School of Learning-Lameto. Kindly help us like, subscribe and click the notification bell so as to share the video with more audience.
My students, this is how to hold the clipper if you want to barb. You hold the clipper like this. You will not hold the clipper like this. Oh. Don't hold your clipper like this. You hold it like this if you want to barb. You want to barb for somebody, you hold your clipper like this before you start the job. Before you start your work, you hold your clipper like this. Very simple, like biro. Like you have your... Try to understand, you hold your clipper like this. I think you understand me. All my students, you here, you see it, very simple.